It's a special event taking place here today in the heart of Tel Aviv. The Igbo community, known as Igbo National Congress, is marking a 1 year of the coronation of the Igwe. Also, the Iriji or Iwaji festival in Israel here by the Igbo community is taking place. Walking into the arena is His Royal Highness Igwe Ojukwu, who has been duly elected to be the traditional ruler of this community. Well, see him at the background. You can see that it is happening live and direct from here. Igwe is coming in, and that is the way we have to see him. You are watching actually the Igwe coming in with his wife and a great number of celebrities. His Royal Highness Igwe Ojukwu, who is actually the traditional ruler of the King of Kings in Israel. And behind him, they have a President General of